Hello friends, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at gold. It is a new week, so we are taking a fresh perspective. We always wipe our chart, start over, make sure that we have a fresh view of our chart. And a couple of things pop out for me on the weekly time frame. We have a couple of key supports to look out for, 1492.39, and then we've got another weekly support, 1479.73. Below that, we have quite a gap all the way down until 1400 psychological. And, well, not even a psychological level. We did bounce directly off that, so we need to be paying attention if and when we get back down there. Right now in the weekly time frame, we are seeing some much needed consolidation. Our RSI is at 74.32, so we still have some room to go back down until things start to normalize a little bit. And we were certainly overbought in the weekly time frame, and now we're starting to see that cooling down action. So let's go to the the daily time frame, see what's happening here. We are still, well, we were in a daily uptrend until we lost our low of 1516, and now we have not established a higher high. In fact, we have a lower high, and now we're establishing lower lows. So we have changed that daily uptrend into a downtrend right now. Daily support down here, that 1492.39 level coming into play again. And if we have another day similar to today's action, that will be on deck for tomorrow. So look for potential turnarounds or reversals on sub time frames as we approach that 1492 level. That would be a nice level to bounce from if we get down there on, say, the 15-minute oversold or something like that. Right now, the daily RSI is happy right in the middle of 48.60. What would be nice to see is bulls defend this 1492, come back up and set a lower high. Anything underneath 1556.88 is going to be that lower high. And actually, I was incorrect. We did hit a higher high there. So the higher high is intact, but we lost that daily support. So looking for a confirmation of a daily downtrend with a lower high under 1556.88 with that 1492 support. And underneath that again, 1479. 4-hour time frame. Bears very much in control of the story right now. Big drop coming down, nearing that support test. And we are what should be the downswing here of this particular cycle, meaning we've dropped, we've bounced. Now we should see another little bounce, and we're going to be looking for rejection from this EMA 1226. If that does indeed confirm, that will drive us into that 1492 support level. And on the 4-hour time frame, we have resistance at 1527.76. Anything underneath that is going to be lower high. And also we have that lower high level 1515.35, which is going to be more important on the hourly time frame because we are looking at a little bit of oscillation. Here we have this lower high. We've changed the trend ever so slightly, but you can see we broke that into a bear flag. Now looking for continuation after seeing rejection from that EMA 12 level. So everything right now is pointing to this 1492 level. We're seeing downtrends in the 4-hour. We're seeing a little bit of chop here on the hourly time frame. Daily is facing that downtrend. And it all comes down to how do bulls respond to this area of support. If support gets confirmed and it's defended, we'll look at that hourly trend change and we'll look for that 4-hour lower low into a higher low pattern, which will see a little bit of recovery. Actually, let's change that a little bit. Let's see this low get down here, bounce, and change like that. And hopefully get over the 1515 to change this 4-hour trend into the bull's favor. But it's all about that 1492 level right now. We're seeing that much needed consolidation. In fact, we still need a little bit more in the daily time frame. So we're paying attention to 1492, checking back in on tomorrow's action. Thanks so much for watching and have an excellent Monday night.